Today, many Singaporeans enjoy taking short trips across the border to Johor Bahru, Malaysia, and one of the favorite destinations is KSL Hotel and Resort. This popular spot offers a delightful mix of comfort, entertainment, and relaxation, making it an ideal choice for a quick getaway. Spending a night at KSL Hotel and Resort offers a comprehensive experience that many Singaporeans find appealing. The combination of comfortable accommodation, diverse food options, ample entertainment, and relaxing massages makes it an ideal destination for a quick, enjoyable escape from the hustle and bustle of Singapore. KSL Hotel and Resort is renowned for its modern amenities and convenient location. Guests appreciate the spacious, clean, and well-equipped rooms that provide a relaxing atmosphere after a day of exploring. The hotel offers a variety of room options, ensuring a comfortable stay for all types of travelers. A must-stay location within the resort is Tower 1, renowned for offering breathtaking sunrise views. The rooms in Tower 1 are spacious and elegantly furnished, featuring large windows that maximize the panoramic vistas, plush beds, cozy seating areas, flat-screen TVs, high-speed internet, and well-stocked minibars. The luxurious bathrooms with marble countertops and premium toiletries add a spa-like feel. Additionally, Tower 1 guests have access to exclusive facilities such as the Executive Lounge, providing complimentary refreshments and serene surroundings. Overall, Tower 1 offers a superior, memorable experience with its stunning views and luxurious amenities, making it an ideal quick getaway from Singapore. One of the main features of the pool is its size and layout, which accommodates a variety of activities. There is a large main pool suitable for swimming laps or leisurely floating, and a separate children's pool area with water slides and shallow depths for safe play. This makes it an ideal spot for families, ensuring that both parents and kids have an enjoyable experience. KSL City Mall is a bustling shopping complex directly connected to KSL Hotel and Resort, making it incredibly convenient for guests. The mall features a diverse range of retail stores, from well-known international brands to local boutiques. One of the main attractions of Glutton Food Street is its focus on traditional Malaysian cuisine. Visitors can savor iconic dishes such as nasi lemak, char kway teow, laksa, and satay, all prepared by skilled vendors using authentic recipes and fresh ingredients. These dishes are beloved for their rich flavors and aromatic spices, providing a true taste of Malaysia's diverse culinary heritage. In addition to local favorites, Glutton Food Street also offers a range of international options. From Japanese sushi and Korean barbecue to Italian pasta and American burgers, there's something to satisfy every palate. This diverse selection ensures that visitors can enjoy a culinary journey around the world without leaving the mall. The ambience of Glutton Food Street adds to its charm. The area is designed to mimic the lively atmosphere of traditional street food markets, with colorful stalls, vibrant signage, and the enticing aroma of freshly cooked food filling the air. It's a bustling, energetic environment where visitors can enjoy a casual and fun dining experience. First on the list of must-try massages is the traditional Malay massage. This ancient practice combines deep tissue techniques with soothing strokes to release tension and restore balance to the body. Expert therapists use their skilled hands to knead away stress, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and invigorated. For those seeking a more intense experience, the deep tissue massage is a top recommendation. This targeted treatment focuses on relieving chronic muscle tension and addressing specific areas of discomfort. With firm pressure and precise movements, skilled therapists work to release knots and improve flexibility, providing much-needed relief to tired muscles. If you're in need of a mental escape as well as a physical one, the aromatherapy massage is a must-try. Start your food hunt with a visit to the local hawker stalls, where you'll find an array of Malaysian street food favorites. From fragrant nasi lemak topped with crispy fried chicken to savory char kway teow cooked to perfection, there's something to satisfy every craving. For a taste of international cuisine, head to the diverse range of restaurants scattered throughout the mall. Indulge in authentic Japanese sushi and sashimi, feast on mouth-watering Korean barbecue, or savor the flavors of Italy with freshly made pasta and wood-fired pizzas. If you're in the mood for something quick and casual, grab a bite at one of the mall's many fast food joints and cafes. From classic burgers and fries to aromatic coffee and pastries, there's no shortage of options to choose from. For dessert lovers, the food hunt doesn't end with savory dishes. Treat yourself to a sweet indulgence with a visit to the dessert stalls and bakeries dotted around the mall. From traditional Malaysian delights like sendal and ais kacang to decadent cakes and pastries, there's a sugary delight to satisfy every sweet tooth. As you embark on your food hunt through KSL City Mall, be sure to keep an open mind and a hearty appetite. With so many culinary treasures waiting to be discovered, the only challenge will be deciding where to start. So gather your friends and family, lace up your foodie shoes, and get ready for an unforgettable gastronomic adventure in the heart of Johor Bahru. First on the list is the DIY Home Improvement Store, a haven for those looking to spruce up their living spaces or tackle renovation projects. Here, you can find everything from power tools and hand tools to paint, hardware, and building materials. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a novice looking to start your first project, the knowledgeable staff at DIY Home Improvement Store are on hand to offer expert advice and guidance. For those in search of specialized tools and equipment, the Hardware Depot is another must-visit destination. This well-stocked store offers a wide range of products, including plumbing supplies, electrical components, gardening tools, and more. Whether you're fixing a leaky faucet, installing new lighting fixtures, or tending to your garden, you'll find everything you need at Hardware Depot. Stepping outside KSL City Mall unveils a world of sights and experiences in Johor Bahru. As you explore, you'll find yourself immersed in the vibrant energy of the city. Walking along the bustling streets, you'll encounter a mix of modern architecture and colonial-era buildings, each with its own story to tell. Nearby, Jalan Dobai beckons with its array of shops, boutiques, and eateries, offering a taste of local culture and cuisine. As night falls and the city lights begin to sparkle, the view from your hotel window at KSL Hotel and Resort transforms into a captivating display of urban beauty. From your vantage point, you're treated to a panoramic vista that captures the essence of Johor Bahru's bustling nightlife. Indulging in the morning buffet at KSL Hotel and Resort is not just a meal but an experience that sets the tone for a delightful day ahead. As you enter the dining area, you're greeted by the enticing aroma of freshly brewed coffee and a spread of delectable dishes that cater to every palate and preference. The breakfast buffet at KSL Hotel and Resort offers a wide selection of culinary delights, ranging from traditional Malaysian favorites to international classics. You will find an array of freshly baked pastries, bread, and cereals for those looking for a lighter start to the day. Fresh fruits and yogurt provide a refreshing option for health-conscious guests. For those craving heartier fare, the buffet boasts a variety of hot dishes, including fluffy scrambled eggs, crispy bacon, savory sausages, and golden hash browns. Traditional Malaysian dishes such as nasi lemak, roti canai, and dim sum are also available, allowing guests to sample the rich flavors of local cuisine. Alright, that wraps up today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends and family, and subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be notified whenever we release new videos, so you won't miss out on any of our exciting content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.